Since the city of Burgas has adopted its plan for integrated development 2030 in compliance with its long-term energy efficient strategy and the local plan for climate adaptation, we have outlined and determined and considered the most specific climate hazards for the city and for the whole territory of the municipality, like floodings, like urban heat island, heat waves, and etc. Based on those findings, we have made some specific assessment of the vulnerability of the local communities and the local infrastructure and the capacity of the adaptation to the climate change. And following this assessment, some specific objectives for the resilience of the communities and the infrastructure had been figured out. So different measures connected with this resilience have been outlined. Climate resilience is the ability of the society, the infrastructure, different vulnerable groups to adjust and to overcome and recover from risks that we are facing at. The most significant measures that we have to take in is to raise awareness of the citizens and the population, also to change behavior of our citizens and to have on board different stakeholders. It's very important to have 4 strands of society. These strands are politicians, businesses that are connected with the carbon footprint of the whole territory. Academia is a very pure in this situation, and the local communities as well. In Bulgaria, our significant challenge I have lined is the political situation, because there are so many changes at national level. So we don't have any national policies towards climate change, and we have to work in compliance only with European regulation, because there is a lack of administrative and legal national framework. This is one of the main challenges that we are overcoming every day. The other challenge is changing the behavior of the citizens, lack of awareness of the citizens and different stakeholders in the process of green transition. Also, the limited funding sometimes when we want to implement some projects that are not so visible at the moment for the citizens, and we have to convince them that they're so needable for communities.